Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I have an unboxing for you from a company that is new to me. I found them on Instagram. They are called ISUVIO. So I've got this big old package from them. So let's get straight on in. This is a paint by numbers kit. They have lots and lots of options on their website. However, I went for a custom. So hopefully this will be everything I've dreamed of. Let's have a look. So we've got on the side, it says ISUVIO is your vision. And we've got a nice sturdy box that everything comes in. Out you can. Right. Everything? Yeah, so it's everything out of the box. So, this is the picture that I sent them. You may recognise it because I've done an unboxing of this, or very similar artwork to this, as a diamond painting. However, that didn't work out so well. So I'm hoping that this will be better. So I sent them a few different pictures and they were very nice. They advised which ones were the best. And so here we have this nice, clear, simple picture. Nothing too crazy. I just wanted something that could really show off their products, and I would be able to finish it and have a nice bold picture for my wall. I have been interested in the performing arts for pretty much my entire life. It has played a really big role in both my education and my social life for the longest time, and I've perhaps infected those around me with a similar love of the arts. So obviously this is the canvas. It is a lovely quality canvas, really nice. This is a 50 by 40. I will give that a little measure just to make sure, but it seems about right. That is on the money, 50 and 40. There we go. Perfect. So what else do we get? The kit as standard comes with your regular paintbrushes that you get in most paint by numbers kits. We've also got in here our little legend, just numerical stuff, tells us how many pots of each colour, what colour code, and then we've also been given some stickers here as well that we can use to label the tops of the pots, so that we've got the number rather than the colour code. So it's a bit like labelling up your pots for diamond painting. So yeah, got a few different shades of the green and the blue. So this does look a little bit more minty than the vibrancy of that green, but that's all good. Is that the, yeah, so that's going to be my main background colour. It's actually not too bad looking at it there. And then we've got, yes, we've got 5 pots of that. We've got 2 pots of the black for the outlines, and then everything else we've got a few little bits of. Obviously we've got some red for the lips. So I'm really excited to get working on this. Certainly the quality seems great. I'm really pleased with how they've worked out the sort of converting my fairly amateur digital art into something that looks much more professional. Additionally, and I'm going to assume this is as a thank you, I guess, because I'm reviewing this product for them, they have sent me their upgraded brushes, which are very nice indeed. These are really nice. They've got a lovely frosted coating on there, so that's a number 4, and then just pop that top off. Yeah, those are a very nice brush. Nice flat one there. So we've got one flat, and then the other 2. Let's grab those out. So we've got a 4 and a 6, a 4 in a round, a 4 in a flat, and a 6. And that, yeah, they are very nice indeed. So that is their upgraded brushes. So I would say if you get chance, definitely if you're working on a larger painting, you're going to want some nice quality brushes, and I would highly recommend going for the upgraded ones. Right, what else do I have to say about this? Not too much at this point. It really is very self-explanatory. I will of course be showing progress on this. I'll probably do a time lapse or something so that you can see more of the progress. But yeah, as it stands, I'm very pleased indeed. The pricing for a 40 by 50 custom would normally be £66. Currently it's 33, which is brilliant if you want to make something that's completely unique, completely your own. As I say, they were really helpful when I submitted several different pictures, some of which were public domain artwork, some of which were my own, and they were able to say what they thought would work well. I know there are pictures on their website of people who have had photographs done. I wasn't brave enough to try that. So yeah, let me know what you think. Particularly if you're someone that wants to have a go at paint by numbers and you've got a specific character or specific piece of artwork that you want to recreate, going down the custom route is a really nice idea. So that is pretty much it from me for today. I will probably start this in the new year, if not before. I have got a few things on the go at the moment though, so it'll probably be my new year project. But you will of course get to come on that journey with me. So thank you very, very much to ISUVIO for sending this to me to review. I'm really looking forward to having a go. Thank you to those of you that are supporting the channel via channel memberships and Patreon. Your support means the absolute world. And of course, thank you to everybody else that watches the channel. As we get close to the end of the year, I always like to give an extra big thank you to you guys because you make it all worthwhile. And if you guys weren't watching, I would probably still be making these videos, to be honest, but it wouldn't be nearly as much fun. I do love to read all of your comments and feedback. So with that being said, do remember to leave a like on this video, leave a comment down below, let me know what picture you would have done as a custom if you could have any picture made into a paint by numbers. And until next time, stay crafty.